Hello, good day everyone. I am Councilor Jonas Abadilla, the current SK Federation President of Muntinlupa City. The importance of the event or the workshop right now is to collectively fight against cervical cancer. So we eliminate cervical cancer in different forms, such as in our communities, in our barangays, engaging our different offices and government agencies, as well also as our City Health Office to be equipped in managing referral systems, implementing such programs, vaccination programs, and also for consultation and examination. Of course, our continuous awareness for combating cervical cancer in our workplaces, in our communities, and also in our barangays as well. We believe in Muntinlupa City that awareness or the right information dissemination is the key to combat this. Firstly, kailangan talagang maging aware ang ating mga government offices na talagang dapat sama-sama tayong tutulong to eliminate cervical cancer. And of course, the causes of cervical cancer and the other diseases that can be entailed from this, from the virus itself or the HPV, human papilloma virus. So napakahalaga na lahat ng mga offices are engaged in terms of information dissemination and awareness campaign. So from the grassroots, from the employees of the city government, down to the different stakeholders that we have, dapat informed tayo, well-informed tayo. Pangalawa doon is to strengthen our referral system. Ibig sabihin, our health facilities, the health system or the health referral system is maayos at dapat engage lahat ng mga ito, including public and private sectors, not just the government offices but also the private sectors as well, because we advocate that the information dissemination or the elimination campaign of cervical cancer is not just from our grassroots in our communities but also in the workplaces. Of course, the treatment, napakahalaga ng treatment natin. If there are cases already, dapat ready yung palliative care natin, ready rin yung city health office natin, ready rin yung mga health centers natin to address this. And equipping our health workers for this is imperative para makombat natin talaga yung disease. Since we are in the vaccination rollout already of the HPV vaccine and we still have the funding and the resources of HPV vaccine in Muntinlupa, so it's essential to partner with the barangay government as well. And of course, us in the Sangguniang Kabataan can also help in terms of information dissemination and awareness campaign for eliminating cervical cancer, especially for our young teenagers, because we are targeting 9 to 14 years old girls. Of course, information dissemination for our young male also that can be affected by HPV and other diseases. It is imperative for us to work not just in terms of the local government or the local city government we have, but also to partner this in the barangay level so that the health workers in the barangay level could identify the participants or the targeted participants for this vaccination status. I think it's really important or it's really significant for us in Sangguniang Kabataan that we are at the forefront also of this campaign to eliminate cervical cancer and also to advocate for vaccination of HPV in our constituency. And in Sangguniang Kabataan in Muntinlupa City, not just HPV vaccination that we are advocating, but also the healthcare of our youth, our healthcare of our teenagers is essential. It's essential also that I advocate this with regards to these kinds of advocacy and also collectively fighting against these diseases as well for information dissemination campaign.